Hello, my name is Jodi, and kids of all ages just call me Jodi. And you may be watching this video because your mom or dad or grandmother or somebody wanted to take you to see me in counseling. And you may be wondering what that is and who this person Jodi is. Well, that's why I put this video together so it doesn't seem so scary. And my office, as you can see, is just like a living room. So there's no doctor's office, nothing scary, nothing weird. It's like you're coming over to my house. We're sitting down having a conversation together. We're getting to know each other. And in the very first time we meet, I'll be asking you about what's going on. Like, why did someone have the idea to take you here? Or is this something that you're worried about? Is there something that's not going right? Has there been something happening or like a big change in your family? And we'll just talk about what is happening around that stuff. But I also want to get to know you. Like, what are the things you like to do, and what are the things you're good at, and what kind of friends you have, and what kind of friend you are, and all those things that people really appreciate about you. I'd be really interested in knowing all of that. People worry that coming to counseling means that there's something wrong with them. And I don't think that at all. In fact, most people come to me are regular people having regular lives. It's just that something difficult's going on and they need help navigating it. And the reason why humans need help navigating when they're going through a difficult time is because we're social beings. People need other people. You need your parents, you need your siblings, you need your friends, and sometimes you need somebody else to just bounce ideas off of and get some new ideas and new perspectives that can make everything a lot better. Also, I'm the kind of person who reminds you of all those unique abilities and special skills that you have, and I help bring them out so you have more access to them when you really need them. When things are not going your way and you really need some extra help, I show you how to have access to those. So, counseling is not, I guess it could be a little boring sometimes, but I try to make it as entertaining as I can. I mean, you are the center, you're the star, and that's kind of entertaining a little bit to have conversations about you being your awesome, awesome self. Why don't you give me a chance? Come on and meet me and see how it is for yourself. I have lots of videos on YouTube. I think I explain stuff pretty easily, so you might like some of the videos, but it helps you get to know me so I don't seem like such a stranger that you have to go to. And you also get to know like how I think about stuff and how I think about problems, how I think about people, because that's what I do. I help people think about problems in a way that they could move past them, leave them behind, get over them, learn how to get through to living happier, more connected, more joyful, doing the things that you want to do, not fighting, not stressed, not anxious, not nervous, and doing all those things that make you really happy in your life. So hopefully I'll meet you soon and we'll talk in person.